channel. It's your girl Asia, and I'm here to show everyone, girlies, females, males, anybody who wants to know how to tailor their jeans and get the fringe look at the end like they already come as. With these jeans I have on, as you can see, they're very long, super long, and obviously they need to be cut short, but you don't want that ugly blunt cut that looks like it's like cut. So what you want to do is, I'm obviously trying to show y'all, but y'all want to just fold your guys' jeans to your desired length that you guys want. I just really wanted it to basically like at the top of my foot, like so, like that. I didn't want it too short. So that's what you want to do, and you're going to do that to both sides, of course. And now you just want to grab these pins right here and pin your jeans in place so that they don't move and they don't lose your spot that you placed the length in. And you just pin it whatever comfortable way that you feel. Obviously I was struggling to show y'all, and yeah, right in front of the camera, that's my slide, so don't mind that. So right now I'm just like looking and seeing what I want to where I want to place the pin, and you could fix it at the end once you take off your jeans too, because we are going to measure it, so it doesn't matter really where you put it because we're going to measure it either way and put our marks in. But yeah, so just place the pin anywhere. So now that is all set, you just want to place your jeans on the ground, which I recommend. It's just easier to cut, easier to see your measurement, making sure everything is even, any flat surface. So that's what I did. And then now I'm just gonna grab my ruler and I'm gonna measure the part where I folded, and I want to make sure that's even, and I measured it to approximately 3 inches to be exact. So that's what I'm gonna do to make sure everything's even, unfold, fix anything that needs to be fixed. So now that that's done, you just want to unfold your jeans, and as you can see, when I unfold it and where I pin my pin on my jeans, I can see a little mark of where approximately the 3 inches are at. But of course you can always reassure and measure it how to your liking to make sure everything is correct, and that's what I'm doing. And now I'm just going to mark down the part where it's 3 inches so I know where to cut across, so I don't cut too high, cut too low. And I recommend using a expo marker because it's washable, of course. You don't want no permanent marker on your jeans. So now you just basically just draw a straight line across with the ruler. The ruler should help you make it perfectly straight where you mark the 3 inches at. So now that you have your line, you can take your pins out, of course. Step 3, and now you just want to grab a pair of scissors. Any scissors that are sharp enough. It doesn't really have to be fabric scissors. These are obviously not fabric scissors, but it's best to hold and tug the pants so that it's easier for you to cut, and making sure you cut on that line. And that's why I marked the line, so I know where I'm cutting instead of just one little tiny line. So it's easier for me to cut in a straight line. So that's what I'm doing. This is super easy, super simple. You don't have to go to a shop to get it tailored and pay money when you can do it at home, easy and for free, and barely any items that you need to go buy or anything, household items at home, which I love. But after, when you're done cutting it, it's so simple. All you need to do is just regularly wash it and dry it, and then the ends will fringe up just like the bottom, like that. And it's pretty much simple. You can do as much times if you want it fringed up more, and yeah. And here's the final product after it's washed and dried. As you can see, the ends are very much fringed and everything. I love it. It's super cute and simple. You can choose to cut off the excess jeans. But hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on my socials, and comment down what you guys want to see next.